Good morning from Chongqing. Last day we checked out from our hotel, the Mercure at the monument, the Liberation Monument. Nice hotel. Don't get spooked when you get here. It looks a bit smaller than it actually is. The rooms are really, really nice. Now we're gonna head out, do some shopping, see what we find, and later on we're gonna pick Didi and get to our cruise ship, as we usually would do with a Didi. Our bags we left in the hotel. They take care of it, so no problem. Oh, so have to pick them up later, can't forget that one. And now we just roam around and see what we can find right outside our hotel. As you saw yesterday, there's lots of shopping and lots of things to do, so it shouldn't be a problem. Pull out a map and off we go. Look at the Neo! So I don't know. If I look at those fruits, I say they're colored. There's never, no chance in the world this is the real color. But yeah, anyway. If you have some info, you know what to do, put it in the comments. But I bet they're colored, this can't be. It's getting hot like yesterday. Yep. And we're in. Hustle and bustle. Love it already. So you have the wholesalers and the factories and so on. All kind of clothes. Ooh, let's dive in. Got some shoes here. Brands, no brands. Got your hairs if you want. Or a cap. Perfect. And of course this thing is massive, it goes round and round and round. Oh, there's some jewelries, accessories, socks, umbrellas actually. How cool is that? Hey Panda, should we go and buy some stuff? Yes, he says. This is what Sophia was looking for. Heaven! My phone is getting an upgrade. New protective screen, new cover. So for the Gorilla, whatever kind of protective screen. She's installing it for me, of course. And a very nice new cover. I paid 70 yuan. You know, the 70 yuan, I'm gonna display it for you either here or there, how much that is in US. So you have something to compare to. Sophia got some new covers as well. And this one here we paid 25 yuan for. It's really, really nice. She got two, I think. So we're gonna try to install a new screen for her as well. Let's see. Right, we fixed not only one phone, we fixed 3 phones. We got some holders, some bling bling for the girls. We got 3 brand new screens, which the young lady here did for us, and I'm very, very happy. And if you come here and you want to have your screens done, this is the one you have to talk to. She is really good. She's really good. We're very happy.
Thank you.
谢谢. Okay, so the girls are happy, I'm happy. Bye bye. They have got the bling bling. I got my new screen, my new cover. Look at that. Here, Sophia, what she has. Ah, and here is the boss. Big boss. 谢谢. Bye bye. All right, everybody happy. Now we can go. Let's see what else we're gonna find here now. So I don't know about you guys. We got 3 screens installed, the protective screens on the phones. We got those accessories for the girls, those holders for the, what do you call it, for the phones. Some decorations. I got a new phone casing. The phones were cleaned and everything done and installed. We have basically 3 brand new phones now, you can say. And all together I paid 160 yuan. This was 160 yuan. I'm gonna convert it to you, comes either here or there. I didn't even want to bargain with her because she did such a good job. She really took her time and she was very meticulous in everything she did. So it's like I feel bad to try to bargain and get the price down. I think she deserves it. Period. That's it. So yeah, she got her full 161, which I think is a pretty decent price for 3 new phones. All right, now let's go on. Right, guys. Business shopping today. We found a wholesaler in here. There. In Chongqing, right across the hotel, basically. So they're selling hats. They're doing umbrellas, all kind of stuff. What's cool is they do the embroidering for us on the hats. So we bought black baseball hats, basically, 100 of them, just to give it a try. We're gonna get our new logo embroidered on that. Price was 18 yuan per hat. We got it to, and we got some nice umbrellas, the ones that you can fold down. They're pretty small. Also with the logo print. So 50 white and 25 umbrellas white and 25 umbrellas black. The hats we took 50 each, which we're gonna get shipped to our next hotel in Shenzhen. And the nice lady here, which the name I don't know, but she will tell us. What's your name?
Chloe.
Chloe was super helpful. She managed all that for us. So now I paid already, and we're gonna get our new logo hats and umbrellas delivered to the next hotel. And we're really looking forward to doing business with those guys. I say thank you very much, Chloe.
Thank you.
And we look forward for our new hats and umbrellas. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, we are good to go for all of that. With some, let's see, with the shipping and everything included, with the embroidery and with the logo print, I paid 2,800 RMB. So 100 hats and 50 umbrellas. 2,800 RMB. I'm gonna pop it up somewhere here. I think it's worth it to have a little stroll around here and just see what you're gonna find and what you're gonna do. I would say we're pretty happy with that. What do you think? Drop me a comment, let me know. I think we did a good deal. In Norway it costs you 25 times that much, I can tell you that. For some snacks. Okay, there's no China visit without the Jianbing, right? Nom 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 nom. It was good, right? It's really delicious. You will struggle to order. It's so worth it.